Hi, good afternoon. This is Helen from Katie's Garden, and I'm going to talk to Catherine about how to prune a rose. Catherine, tell us about rose pruning and what we do.
Well, we want to do it in the dormant period, so February is a very good time because you can start to see the new shoots. What you want in your plant is a nice open space in the middle. If you've got lots of growth in the middle, that's when you're going to end up with lots of the diseases. They're going to be prone to aphids. It's not going to be a healthy plant. So what you want to do, first of all, if you've got anything here, this is a double whammy. It's quite a weak shoot, and it is also crashing into this one, and they're going to end up rubbing against each other, and that's when you can get diseases in. So we do not like this one at all. So that is just coming out all together. That is gone. You're then looking, ideally, you can just hack at them, they don't mind it, but for a nice good shape, you want to be looking for an outward facing bud. So if you can see there, that one, if we cut just above that.
Hang on, let's just have a look at this outward facing bud. Okay.
So if you've got that there, that will become the new growth. So if we cut above that, you're going to get a nice shoot going outwards.
So
if, for example...
So you always have to cut above an outward facing bud, is that right?
Yes, you always want to cut just above, because otherwise you're going to end up with dieback, which can cause problems, but mostly it's just unsightly. So for example, if I cut above that one, that is going to grow crashing straight into that, and you're going to have problems. So you don't want to cut above that one. We can see there, we've got that one there. So we'll just cut above that. We have that one there, and you want to cut diagonally so that the rainwater will drain away from it rather than into the new shoots.
Okay, let's have a look at that cut, just to get a close-up of what it looks like. Okay, cool, thank you.
Right, and I think that is probably the basics.
Okay, that's great. Thanks, Catherine.
No problem.